Eyman Plumbing has been proudly serving the Omaha Metro and surrounding areas since 1957. Our specialties include backflow services, drain cleaning, new construction pipeline, septic service, sewer, water heaters, air conditioning, and much more. Our customers have trusted the Big Red Truck for nearly 60 years and know that we are here for them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We take great care of our customers with top-level service and promise complete satisfaction. No matter how complex the job, residential, commercial, or municipal, we have the experience, equipment, and manpower to do it right the first time. If you are ready for a quote regarding the many services we offer, call Omaha's finest today. Eyman Plumbing, 402-731-2727. Trust the Big Red Truck.